I'm Lexi.
And we're from Wittenberg University in Ohio, and we are here in Lesotho for a month.
We're working on service projects around Kick for Life, so we've been painting today behind us.
And yesterday, or the 2 days before, we've been working at leveling the field, where there's going to be, a regulation soccer field with all natural grass.
And we also are building a trench, digging a trench around the AstroTurf field right here, and then working on building shelves and different projects for inside the building so that can be all finished and hold all kinds of cool stuff.
So basically we're just here helping out in any way we can.
Having fun.
We're all happy to be
Go
here.
Kick for Life!
Yeah. We really believe what Kick for Life is doing, so like she said, we're all very happy to be here and happy to be helping.